Buckeye Burl wood is incredibly beautiful with a lot of character, but it is soft, light, hardwood. Even though this is a stabilized piece of wood, I'm going to use a metal threaded insert to be on the safe side. I did use a Forstner bit to ensure a gap-free fit before epoxying the metal threaded insert. If you are wondering, I'm using a Ruth Niles mandrel and bottle stopper kit. I absolutely love the quality of her products, and this mandrel, no drawbar. It's really nice. As far as the bottle stopper shape, I'm going with a very simple design with one point of interest. A metal necklace pendant with some slight modifications. Whoops, I need to angle it down. Since this is Buckeye Burl and mostly comes from underground or often considered a root, it has defects and voids, sometimes sand, rocks, and other things in it, so you always have to be careful. But I added some Starbond black CA glue to fill in some of the voids, and it did an excellent job. And since Buckeye Burl is not a very strong wood, I decided to go with a CA finish to help give it some more strength. Even though it is stabilized, and even though the light will be reflected off of this high gloss finish, I really think this piece is going to benefit from a nice high shine. And it didn't disappoint. It came out really nice. I liked the grain pattern, and pretty much everything came out on this quick little project. I'm so glad I was able to salvage this little piece of wood. So I hope you enjoyed the show, and as always, stay safe in your shop at all times. Take care, and thank you.